I'm going to show you one of the most beginner-friendly strategies to make money online. Of course, you don't have to have any fancy skills or experience, and you don't need to pay a single dime because this method is completely free. Just grab your device, make sure you have a working internet connection, and pay close attention to the next few money-making minutes in this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is head on over to partnerstack.com and you want to create your free account. Just click on Login or Book a Demo and then just sign up using Google. It's super simple, they don't really require any kind of details. But you can see that they just tell you to book a demo. Just click on Login and then enter your Gmail and that's pretty much it. Now, when you log in, you'll be able to enter the marketplace. So just go right here and this is what your account is going to look like. And if you check this out, these are all the different products you can be promoting. And these are very specific type of products. Because these are not like digital products. These are services and softwares that have their very own affiliate programs. There isn't really a marketplace for them except for on PartnerStack. Now, there's plenty of them, but I want to show you two very easy products to promote and get paid $5 every single time for free. So what you want to do is come to the marketplace and you want to search for Send In. And this is going to show you this program right here called Send In Blue. And this is like an all-in-one marketing platform. It's like an autoresponder marketing platform that's going to be paying you $5 per new account created. Now, hold on. There is a caveat to this. You get paid $5 per new account created and $100 per new paying client. So if you check this out, you'll realize that they have a 100% free plan. And if you get people to this free plan, then you get paid $5. Easy money, right? And after using Send In, when people realize how much they love the software, if they get a paid plan, you get paid $100. So this is a complete no-brainer. You can see how easy it is to make a ton of money with this offer. Now, the second offer that we're going to be talking about is on GetResponse.com. This is another email automation provider, an all-in-one marketing solution. And this is another affiliate program where you can get paid when you refer clients. There are two different ways to make money with this. You can actually get paid 33% commission every single month, and you can get paid $100 upfront commission per sale. So this is basically like two revenue streams in one. And one of those streams is passive, which is just awesome. So you definitely have to check that out. Now, let me show you how to get traffic so that people actually click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. So what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Google Sites and you want to create your free account. And then come right here where it says blank and click right here and start a new site. Now, what you want to do right now is pretty much enter the site name, something like Make Money Online Tutorial. Then right here it says Header tab. You just want to use the title only, and you can also completely customize it and change the color. But more importantly, what you want to do is copy the headline of my video where you're going to find the link to Get Response. You can see it right here. It says Get Response Trial. This is the video. You want to copy the headline and then you want to paste it right here. So the easiest way to earn $250 per day. I'm going to highlight this part and underline it on ClickBank. Now, what you want to do right now is click on Embed right here, and then you want to enter the URL of the video. So go back to YouTube and enter the URL of this video right here and put it right here, and click on Insert. And now you just want to resize it to make it just a little bit bigger. But don't make it too big because right here we're going to add a call to action. You just want to write their tools used in the video. And now you just want to drag this little text and you want to put it right next to the video and make sure it's going to be visible. Here are the tools used in the video. Obviously, the styling part is up to you. You can style it however you want, but just make sure it's going to look legit, so it's not going to be just some low-quality landing page. The better it's going to look, the more money you're going to make with this. Then you want to click on the button right here. It says Button, and you want to add Get Response, sign up for free. And then you want to come to the Get Response Affiliate program, sign up right here to create your free account now. This is my Get Response Partners program, so this is what it's going to look like. This is where you're going to get your affiliate link. You want to copy this, but obviously make sure it's your affiliate link. You can see currently pending commissions are $2,000, so you can see it right here. And you want to add it right here and hit Insert. And then you can see this is going to be the Get Response. And then you want to make sure you're going to add it right here. And then you want to do the same for the Send in Blue. So go ahead, go to Partner Stack. You just want to apply for a program, and you can see $5 per new account, and the account is free. So you can also choose to just promote Send in Blue or even both. So for example, if you just want to use the Send in Blue $5 offer, then just go with Send in Blue and you can just delete the Get Response right here and only use the Send in Blue and vice versa. Now, this is going to be your landing page. So all you have to do right now is publish it to make sure it's going to be live. I'm going to add a couple of numbers just like this and click on Publish. And I want to show you what it's going to look like. So now you're going to click on View and this is going to be your landing page. So easiest way to earn $250 per day on ClickBank, make money online 2022. Then in the video, I'm going to show you the method. And then I'm going to show people how to sign up to the free tool. Visitors on this page are just going to see it right here. So Send in Blue free sign up. So tools used in the video. They're going to click there, they're going to come see the sales page, they're going to see that it's 100% free, and when they create their free account, you're going to get paid $5 per new account, and $100 if they decide to pay for the account. Also, feel free to re-record a video yourself if you want to, and then promote a tool that way and upload it to YouTube, just like this person is doing right here. You can search for email marketing tools, and you can see right here, this person, best email marketing software. My tab recommendations, you can see he has Send in Blue. He has Aweber, he has all these different programs in one video. So this is something you can do yourself with your own affiliate links. And that is it for today's incredible tutorial. If you've learned something new today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on an incredible money-making opportunity. See you in the next video.